You're stuck replaying conversations that never happened, wishing for words that will never come. This limbo is a heavy burden. The sting of not getting closure can feel like a betrayal, leaving you searching for answers that seem just out of reach. You believe if they just explained or apologized or simply acknowledged the pain, you could finally begin to heal. But here's the difficult truth. Closure often isn't about the other person. Their silence, their absence, is not an invitation for more. They might be incapable of giving it, unwilling to confront their own actions, or simply have moved on entirely. Their narrative has continued without you, perhaps without even a second thought about the impact they left behind on your heart. You can spend years waiting for an apology or explanation that will never materialize, tethered to a past that refuses to release you. The narrative you need to complete isn't written in their actions or words, but within your own evolving understanding and acceptance. Creating your own emotional ending means reclaiming your narrative and defining what resolution looks like for you. It's about shifting your focus from the external validation you won't receive to the internal power you already possess. This is a journey of self-compassion, acknowledging your pain without judgment, and gently guiding yourself towards peace. The first practical step is acknowledging your feelings. Name them: sadness, anger, confusion, betrayal. Don't suppress them, allow them. Journaling is incredibly powerful for this. Write freely, without censoring yourself, as if speaking to the person who hurt you. Let out all the questions, the accusations, the unmet needs. This isn't about sending the letter, but about releasing the energy. Another valuable exercise is self-validation. Your feelings are inherently valid, regardless of whether the other person acknowledges them. Tell yourself, "It's okay that I feel this way. My anxiety is real, and my pain matters." Repeat it until it resonates. Reframing your perspective is crucial. Instead of "I was wronged," try "I am learning and growing from this experience." This shift isn't about denying the past, but about empowering your present and future by choosing a more constructive interpretation. Consider what a healthy ending looks like for you. It might involve setting boundaries, or simply choosing to no longer engage. This choice is an act of self-preservation, protecting your emotional energy and making space for genuine healing to take root. Mindfulness is another ally. Practice being present, observing thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. When intrusive thoughts arise about the past, gently escort them away. You don't have to engage with every memory. Visualize yourself as a calm lake, with thoughts as clouds drifting across the sky above. The lake remains undisturbed. This mental practice helps create space between you and the painful emotions, allowing for clarity and perspective to emerge. Seek support from trusted friends or a therapist. You don't have to carry this immense weight by yourself. A professional can provide tools and a safe space to process complex emotions and break free from lingering attachments. Engage in activities that nurture your well-being. Rediscover hobbies, interests, and passions that bring you joy and fulfillment. Reconnect with the aspects of yourself that may have been sidelined during the relationship or the painful aftermath. This might mean picking up a forgotten language, learning a new skill, or simply spending more time in nature. Physical activity can be incredibly grounding. Walking, running, dancing, anything that helps you release pent-up energy. Movement helps reconnect you to your body, reminding you that you are whole and capable, regardless of past disappointments. Visualizing your ideal future can also be a powerful tool for moving forward and creating a sense of purpose. What do you want your life to feel like? What experiences do you want to savor? Start building that reality now. Forgiveness, if and when it comes, is for your peace, not to absolve the other person of their actions. The practice of forgiveness is about unburdening yourself from the weight of resentment that hinders your own progress. It's a conscious choice to release the grip that past hurts have on your emotional freedom and well-being. Imagine packing away old belongings. You decide what you keep, what you discard, and what you store for memory's sake. This process is about honoring your journey, acknowledging the lessons learned, and gently closing the chapter. You are the author of your life. You have the power to write the ending that serves your highest good. This empowers you to step away from the pain of what was lost and step towards the promise of what can be. It takes courage to face the void left by unresolved relationships, but your capacity for resilience is immense. Every step you take towards creating your own peace is a victory. Celebrate these small, vital moments of progress. Allow yourself grace. Healing isn't linear. There will be good days and challenging days. Both are part of the process. You are not defined by the unresolved nature of a past relationship, but by how you choose to move forward. Focus on nurturing your core self, the person you were before, and the person you are becoming. This internal work is the most profound form of closure, one that offers lasting peace and self-possession. Remember, your healing is not a passive process. It requires active participation and a commitment to your own well-being. You are worthy of peace, happiness, and a future free from the chains of unresolved endings from the past. The path forward isn't about forgetting, but about integrating your experiences and learning to live fully in the present. Embrace the power of your own narrative. You have the pen, and you can write the epilogue you deserve. This journey requires patience and self-kindness, recognizing that healing is a continuous unfolding, not a destination. You are brave for facing this, for seeking out ways to mend your heart and reclaim your sense of wholeness. Your past experiences, however difficult, do not diminish your worth or your potential for future joy and connection. The strength you've found in navigating this pain is a testament to your inner fortitude and capacity for growth. You are not broken. You are a work in progress, constantly evolving and becoming more resilient with every challenge faced. The goal isn't to erase the past, but to integrate its lessons, allowing you to stand taller and live more fully. You've learned what you needed to learn, and now it's time to direct your energy towards building the future you desire. Your self-created ending brings not denial, but acceptance, allowing you to finally turn the page with grace and strength. The emotional closure you seek is often found not in another's words, but in your own courageous journey of self-healing. You have the power to write your own happy ending, one built on self-love, resilience, and unwavering hope. What intentional step will you take today to create your own emotional ending and begin your healing journey anew?